We got parts to install today. Let's get into it.
Track day, bro!
Keep going. Keep going.
All right, guys, so today we have a lip and a wing for the Evo. The wing is behind me, maybe. And it's just the stock Evo wing, so it's gonna give us some good height to it. Y'all see it in a minute. And then the front lip is going to be the Voltec style front lip. These are really pretty easy installs because they're very basic and beginner mods. So let's just jump right into it. Wing, let's go mock it up. All right, I think it's gonna work.
I think it'll go.
Yes.
So it looks like it's gonna go in this one right here.
It's gonna be this one and that one. We'll take all the clips off. I want to do the lip first, but that one.
Yeah, that one and then
that
this
one's
one.
gonna be double-sided sticky tape.
That's fine. I mean, as long as it's 2 or both.
2 out of the 3, yeah. Your Chinese Cabela knife.
You'll have to, dude. No.
Still didn't make it.
We're gonna cut that. I'm gonna get a first try.
Hey, there you go.
Just a real quick FYI, I am going to leave these black because I will be wrapping the car within the next few months. Hint, hint. I'm gonna go ahead and give you all a sneak peek, but we were talking about front lips for the FC, and that's what's gonna happen to it. So it's gonna be saucy. So we're gonna take some of these bolts.
Which is which?
Hold on.
Oh, does it like line up with the original holes?
I don't know. Neither do I really care. Hey, so you know those bolts I just threw away? We're gonna use them because it turns out companies actually think about this stuff.
They do?
What?
How much did this front lip cost you?
$250. So.
Yes. Like the cool blue light.
That's pretty much it. Repeat the process of the side. Stupid easy.
Zoltan.
Wu-Tang gang.
Wu-Tang Clan. Bro, you ever listen to Wu-Tang actually? I love Wu-Tang.
You can see how the car, like, the nose of the car slowly moved this way. It's weird.
I have Wu-Tang's first studio album on vinyl.
Really?
Yeah.
The double-decker wing.
So you don't see the double decker.
You can clearly see that it's a double-decker, though.
It
actually doesn't look terrible.
It has like a super aesthetic to it.
Yeah.
From straight on. So you don't see the
Here,
double
come,
decker.
like, I'm sorry, look over my parts we will be installing in the future.
I actually saw a 300ZX with a super wing on it the other day in downtown Robby. Yeah.
It looks funky.
The ZX is very boxy and the Super is very bubbly.
There's all the stuff off the back.
Yep.
I'm gonna use my freaking shift knob now. Let's go.
Dude, first use.
All right, I really like that shift knob actually. If y'all have not yet seen the RX-7 update slash all the shift knobs video, go check that out. Link will be right there.
A bit.
I bet.
I mean, when you finally off for 2 seconds.
I didn't use it on the Mustang wheels, then, you know, I rip out those little nuts.
So I'm taking the lining of the trunk out so we can reach these clips right here because that is where they are on the other side, so we can bolt in the new wing.
You realize you could have just reached every...
Now looking at it, yes. Yes, I do.
taking off the duck bill?
No. Leaving it on.
Huh?
Leaving it on. All the wings.
It's like, yeah, it's gonna look a little bit goofy, no?
That thing look cool.
I think it actually look cool too.
I haven't seen it in the back yet.
Woo! I like it. Of course, I might take the duck bill off
Yeah.
and paint it black.
Yeah. I think it's the offset color that's making it.
Yeah, it is a little bit weird with the two different colors, but wing looks good, actually. It looks like it should line up.
I can get one hole lined up here, and then the second one is not lined up.
Same.
Yep, the second hole is about 2 inches too high. So your option, I would choose. Oh, because it's also resting on top of your.
Hold on, move it down.
Could you bolt one in and then just double-sided sticky tape the rest of it?
Hold on, I'm going to.
It's right here.
Yeah, we should.
Oh, bolt it. Okay, see, I do the top one instead.
I think.
Well, no, it should.
Oh yeah, there we go. I see. Okay, it goes down to the other bottom hole.
It does line up.
Okay, cool. Here, I'll hold it. I got it.
Okay, so it actually does line up.
Yeah.
Hold on, let's not tighten it down permanently because we're gonna put double-sided tape on that. So let's.
All right, I'm gonna go back to rebuilding your ratchet. It's already in.
Take it off, put double-sided sticky tape on it, and then
Then bolt it in.
bolt it in.
This is like deja vu for the view.
Mess up your paint. That meant level height to you too.
Using this one or?
Yeah, I'm gonna put a piece right there and a strip right there,
Okay.
and that should be good with 2 bolts.
Yeah, no, that'll be more than enough.
If not, it'll fly off on the highway and might kill somebody.
Love the
You have
For future me.
Speed of it is 1.8.
I think the gear.
I've seen Mortal Kombat when it comes out. Sure. Dude, it's gonna be like beating each other up. I can't take mine off, so. They call it, it's interchangeable over there. It's like the sub version of it. There you go. Alright, cool.
That should be.
What is that? A knife? No!
That's not a knife.
That's not a knife.
This is a knife.
This is a knife. Pick up. Tony, open the trunk.
Crocodile Dundee.
Crack. So.
I'd put the top one in and try to line that up first. Like put the bolt through.
Yeah.
Because then you'll have like a peg for it to go onto, so you're not like just free balling it.
Very cool. So I will actually tighten them.
Yeah.
If y'all want to just hold it.
Yeah,
Put it to one for you so you don't blow it apart.
Thanks.
It's a lot of power. Wow, it's really actual camera man. Not everything is a 99. No, it'd be way easier than like way nothing. Just plastic shiny.
Put some pressure on the double-sided sticky tape, I'd say. Just like hold it down. Yeah, there you go.
That ain't going. This ain't going nowhere. Yeah, it ain't going nowhere.
Considering it's pulling up the trunk before it's.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere, dude.
All right guys, so that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Don't forget that y'all can win this car. If we hit 125,000 subscribers by the end of February next year, it could be in your driveway. Probably won't look like this though. I got a few more mods planned. We're gonna do wheels and a wrap here soon, hopefully. I didn't tell you that. We've also got something coming for the front bumper just because these clips are broken. Follow that with some smaller stuff and that's pretty much gonna be it. So thank you guys and y'all stay original out there. See ya.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate...